Hello, my name's Dave Rowley and I'm the Training and Technical Support Manager for BAL. And I can tell you, after 30 years in the industry, speed is of the essence. With BAL Level Fast, you can lift your tile in just 45 minutes. And it's the perfect time saver. BAL Level Fast is fibre reinforced, it gives you extra strength and flexibility and avoids those failures. You can use it from 2mm to 30mm. And even on over timber floors at just 3mm in thickness, which obviously saves you time and also money. It's actually self-smoothing, it's actually self-healing, but also gives you a longer wet edge of 10 minutes. And you can use multiple bags without any issue. To use BAL Level Fast, add the powder to 4.2 litres of clean cold water and mix following the instructions on the back of the bag. BAL Level Fast is easy to mix to a super smooth consistency. Even though it's fast setting, you still have a pot life of 10 to 15 minutes, giving you plenty of time to use. As you can see, BAL Level Fast is easy to pour, has excellent flow and floats easily into the corners of the room for a simple, speedy installation without the need to spike roll. It is also self-healing, so you don't see the trowel marks. BAL Level Fast has a 10-minute wet edge, which means using multiple bags, providing no issues on larger areas. BAL Level Fast has a low shrinkage formulation to ensure a perfect flat surface for tiling. It's been 30 minutes now and the product is hard enough to walk on and start the setting out process. In another 15 minutes, you're ready to start the tiling. And there you go. BAL Level Fast provides fast and agile preparation over most internal substrates, including concrete, cement sand screeds, single layer timber, including plywood overlays, and underfloor heating systems.